Works for Tools channel. Today I'm showing my collection of Milwaukee tools, some things that I have for home and for work, and my opinion on what I've used so far. So let's check them out. First up, I have a flashlight, and it's no particular order if I've bought these things. The light is pretty cool. I like it. I will send, put the part number in there under each of these things. I did have a problem with this one though, I think the battery has a problem, so I haven't used it a lot, but then I charge it and it does this. I plan on sending that into Milwaukee and getting it straightened out. Get some more light in here. And some air. There's the big 1/2 inch high torque Milwaukee gun. Very cool, very powerful. This one is a beast, but it's kind of heavy. I got this because it was on sale originally, and it'll take tires off, but it's a little heavy. It's like 8 pounds to be doing them on a regular basis. So I got the mid torque. This is the 2nd generation mid torque 1/2 inch drive. They all have lights on them, and they all have a battery. Show you how much is left in it, and then you can adjust whether you want it on low torque, 2 and 3. I always run it on 3 pretty much. This is a great tool. I am so glad I got it. I love the 1/2 inch mid torque. It's not too heavy. Take tires off. It takes a lot of things off. I practically don't use my 1/2 inch gun anymore that's air operated. This one is the Milwaukee 3/8 drive stubby. As you can see, I didn't get to clean it up very much. They definitely get used. I do not baby my tools. They get kind of beat up. And this one's a perfect example of getting beat up. This one, when I got it, I was kind of impressed. It was able to take off tires, but it's not meant for that. So I wound up having to send it in and get it warrantied. Ever since then, it's been iffy on how well it does. I know some other people have done some videos where they're very impressed with this one. Sometimes it takes something off, and sometimes it doesn't, but it might be partially because I've had to get it repaired, so I might send that in, or get another one and try again. I don't know. This one is not necessarily my favorite, just because it just doesn't have enough power. Some things it takes off, some things it doesn't, but it only has like 250 foot-pounds of torque, so it's not meant to be super strong. This is the 3/8 drive extended reach ratchet, and these are pretty cool. Come in very handy. These are not super strong either, but they make things quicker to come off, and you can put some kind of pressure on it, but usually if it's super tight, you're gonna have to use a regular ratchet and then use this for the speed of taking it on and off. Here's the 3/8 regular one. That's a fuel, by the way, also. And this one is just a regular 1/4 inch drive electric ratchet. They both have locks on them so that you can transport them without them being on. And they got little lights on them that actually come in fairly handy sometimes when you're trying to do something and you can't hold the flashlight too. These are a couple things I got for house use. I had a video a while ago showing I bought them to put up a TV. The drill and the little zippy, as I call them, 1/4 inch driver. I used this at work for a while when my snap-on 1/4 inch driver broke, and at first I didn't like it, but I actually started liking it because it's got the hammering feature. Once you get used to that, it actually works pretty good. And then the drill I've used a couple times at home. Haven't used it a lot, but it's a drill and it works pretty nice too. Alright, the big item is this Milwaukee weed whacker. So I'll put this back over here for a minute. And this I bought for home, of course, and it works very well. And it's got where it quick disconnects to be able to put other things on it. And I have used this, but I bought this attachment, the chainsaw, to be able to do some cutting down some things at home, and that one's pretty cool. I have not got a chance to use this yet, but I've got some oil. Some oil goes in here to lube the chainsaw itself, the blades. Just pop it back in this. Tighten up this lock nut here. And you don't cut your roof off. Looks like it'll work pretty cool. I did notice one thing with these chains, or one thing with these, it came with a 9 amp hour battery. You definitely need a couple of batteries, because when you're weed whacking, it says it lasts an hour. When I did do some weed whacking, it may have lasted an hour, but I'm not sure. Didn't seem like it did. I guess it depends on what all you're doing. But it is very cool, and you don't run out of gas. So I like it pretty good. The last thing, the shirt I'm wearing, I actually won, because when you buy some of these products, or most of them probably, you get a little thing in your box of tools. It lets you enter a drawing to win something. You just put it online, and I won a shirt once, so that's pretty cool. So hope you all liked the video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and keep wrenching. Have a great day.